Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mute the microphone on MSI Thin A15. In order to mute the microphone, you can see on the keyboard there is a button for the microphone, just here. And sometimes you need to press on it just alone, and you can see it turns off or turns on the microphone. But sometimes you will need to do it with the FN key. So in my case, actually, I can do it alone, and it is dependent on the FN lock. So you can have FN lock enabled or disabled by pressing on two buttons at once, FN and escape. Now, when FN lock is off, to turn the microphone on off, I need to also press on the FN key at the same time, like that. And if I have FN lock enabled, then I can do it just like that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.